Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 4.1, question number 1. Complete the last column of the table. Here is given serial number 1. This is equation. This is the value x equal to 3. See whether equation is satisfied, yes or no. Right, question number 1. Here, question number 1, we can see that x plus 3 is equal to 0. Right? If we put the value x equal to 3, what we are getting, you see, that is left hand side is equal to x plus 3. Put the value of x as 3, then we are getting 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, and right hand side is 0. Therefore we say that left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Right? Therefore we can say whether the equation is satisfied. The answer is no. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is x plus 3 is equal to 0. Right? X equal to 0. If you put x equal to 0, what are you getting? Left hand side is equal to x plus 3. If we put the value of x equal to 0, then we are getting 0 plus 3, that is equal to 3. Therefore here you see right hand side is 0. Therefore left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Right? Therefore we can say that this equation doesn't satisfy. Whether this equation is not satisfied, therefore no. Question number 3. Question number 3 is x plus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0. And the value of x is equal to 7. Value of x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3. Let us put the value, that is left hand side is equal to x plus 3. If value of x is minus 3, therefore minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore here in this case we say that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore it is satisfied. Therefore the answer will be yes. This is yes. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is, you see, question number 4 is x minus 7 is equal to 1, and x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7. Therefore here you see left hand side is equal to x minus 7. The value of x is 7, that is 7 minus 7, that comes to 0, and right hand side is 1. Therefore you can say that left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore it doesn't satisfy the equation. The question number 4 is no. The answer is no. Now question number 5. In question number 5 you see, question number 5, it is x minus 7 equal to 1. X minus 7 is equal to 1, and the value of x is equal to 8. Left hand side is equal to x minus 7. The value of x is 8. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1, which is equal to right hand side. Therefore here you say left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore we can say that it is satisfied the equation. That is question number 5. That is yes. Now we'll solve question number 6. Here question number 6 is Let us solve question number 6. Question number 6 is, here you see, question number 6 is, question number 6. Question number 6 is 5x is equal to 25 and value of x equal to 0. Therefore, left hand side is equal to 5x. Value of x is 0, that is 5 into 0 is equal to 0. And the right hand side is 25, which is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, you can say that left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, it doesn't satisfy the equation. The answer is no. Question number 6 is no. That is no. Now question number 7. Question number 7 is 5, 6, 7. Question number 7 is, you see here, that is 5x equal to 25. 5x is equal to 25 and the value of x is equal to 5. Let us find left hand side. Left hand side is equal to 5x. That is equal to 5 into 5, that is equal to 25, which is same as right hand side. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Then we can say that the equation 7 is satisfied this equation. The question number 7 is yes, it satisfies the equation. That is, therefore, the answer is yes. Now question number 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Question number 8, you see here, 8 is 5x is equal to 25. 5x is equal to 25. Where x, the value of x is minus 5. Minus 5. The left hand side is equal to 5x. That is equal to 5 into x is minus 5. Therefore, is minus 25. Which is not equal. Therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, it doesn't satisfy the equation. Therefore, the answer is no. Therefore, the answer is no. Now, question number 9. Question number 9, you see here. Question number 9 is m by 2, m by 3 is equal to 2. And the value of m is equal to minus 6. Minus 6. The left hand side is equal to m by 3. Value of m is minus 6. Minus 6 by 3. 3 to the 6, that is equal to minus 2. And right hand side is 2. Therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Right hand side. If it doesn't satisfy the equation, question number 9 is no. Question number 9 is no. Now question number 10. Question number 10 is m by 3 is equal to 2. M by 3 is equal to 2, where m is equal to 0. Where m is equal to 0. Left hand side is equal to m by 3. M by 3. And the value of m is 0. Therefore, 0 by 3 is equal to 0. And right hand side is 2. Therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, it doesn't satisfy the equation. Therefore, the answer is no. Now, question number 11. Question number 11, you see. Question number 11 is question number 11. What is question number 11? You see, it is m by 3 is equal to 2. M by 3 is equal to 2, where m is equal to 6. M is equal to 6. Now, left hand side is equal to m by 3. M by 3. M is 6. 6 by 3, that is 2. And right hand side is also 2. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, it satisfies the equation. Therefore, you can say it as yes. As yes, it satisfies the equation, right? In this way, you have to find the left hand side and right hand side whether they are equal or not. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.